Hello, welcome to another tutorial from Oklahoma City University's Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and embed a Microsoft Stream video into D2L for your faculty-owned courses. If you are creating a faculty-owned course in D2L, you can embed your recorded video lectures from Microsoft Stream that you've previously recorded straight into your course. First thing you want to do is have your course open in one window and then open another tab and go to Microsoft Stream. So you could just type in stream.office.com or office.com and then search for Stream in the Microsoft search bar at the top. Once you're there, navigate to the video. For example, let's just do this one right here. And click on the title. It's going to open the video in a new tab. In the command bar across the top here, you're going to see these horizontal ellipses. Click that, and then click the download button. It's going to pop up and ask you to confirm that you want to download and that it's only for the content and it will not include any transcripts, chapters, or comments. I'm going to show you how to put the captions in through D2L's media library. So go ahead and click download. And there you can see it's downloaded to my computer. Now let's go back to our course in D2L. And you're going to click on the OCU resources right here. And you're going to click on Media Library. You'll see that I already have this recording in there, so I'm just going to re-record it. I'm sorry, re-upload it. So you're just going to click the blue upload button. And then select the recording that you just downloaded. You can see this is the most recent file that I downloaded there. And then click Open. You can see that it's uploading the item right here. Once it's finished, you're going to click the ellipsis to the right of your uploaded video file right here, and then click Edit. Click on the Closed Captions tab to the right, and then click Auto Generate. A new pop-up window will open and just click Auto Generate again. D2L will begin generating the closed captions for you. Now, we can go ahead and go edit or create an HTML page. So we go to Content. And let's just do this one right here. I'm going to create a new HTML page. And just give it a title. All right. Then you're going to click into the HTML editor down here. You can type in a description if you'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and put the title in here again and make it a heading. There we go. Enter a new paragraph by hitting enter on your keyboard, and then click the insert stuff icon, this icon right here. Then we will click on Media Library. In the search bar, you're going to search for the title of the video recording file that you uploaded. So I know mine says edit, and then I'm going to click search. And here you can see this is the most recent file that I want. So I'm going to click on that correct video and then click the blue next button. In the new window that displays, as soon as the preview displays down here, you can click the blue insert button. You can see the video has embedded into my HTML document page here. Now I can just hit save and close. If you click play, the video will start to play. Hello, and welcome to another video. And then you can click the gear icon here and confirm that the captions are working. You can turn those on or you can turn them back off. Either way. I hope you have found this helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to the CETL staff here in the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning.